A very good morning to the children of class 4 and welcome to your English language class. I am your Shatabdi ma'am and we were doing chapter number 7, negative and positive sentences, and we were also doing revision, and we did the revision last day. Today we will also again do the revision of this page 21. Okay, before that we will do this do, did and does once more so that you recap in your mind. That is do, I do, you do, they do, we do. I do not, you do not, they do not, we do not. Since it's negative and positive, so I am using this also. Did is used with everything. Does, he does not, she does not. Okay. Now we will do the exercise today, which is there in page 21, as I said in the last video. Before that, we will revise a bit. That is, we use not with do and does and did to change the positive sentence into negative sentences. Read it carefully, the positive and negative sentence given below. We will read it once more and then we will carry on with the exercises. So positive sentence, I drink apple juice. I do not drink apple juice. I is used with do. He watches films. He does not watch films. He is used with does, and since it's does, the es from the verb drops when you do it negative or when does is used. They play hockey. They do not play hockey. He knew me well. He did not know me well. Now, here there is another rule which we did previously in the CW copy also, that is, he knew me well. Knew is the verb and it's the past tense. So, we will use did here in the negative sentence. So, he did not, but this word knew becomes know, me well. So, since you are using did, this past form change into present form. The verb changes into present form and then we use it in the sentence. Okay. So it will be he did not know me well. Number 5. We played chess every day. We did not play chess every day. See, played becomes play, and since it's played in past tense, we use did in the negative sentence. Okay. She eats rice and curry. This is a present tense, but here she is written, so we will use does. She does not eat rice and curry. Since we used does, the s from the verb drops and we use only eat. Okay. Now we will move on to the exercise. See. Change the positive sentence. This is page number 21. See. This is page number 21 from the book. This is from the book, page number 21. Everybody please open it out and see and listen to me and answer also. Number D, change the positive sentence. So these all are positive sentence. We have to do is, we have to change the positive sentence which are given below into negative. So there is, all sentences are positive. You got this, that you have to change only into negative. Okay. Now, number 1, I play the piano every day. It's a positive sentence. So what will you put it into negative? I do not play piano every day. Why do not? Because I is used with do. Number 2, we eat rice and fish curry every day. We is used with do. So it will be we do not eat rice and fish curry every day. Yes. Number 3, my friends gave me gifts. Now, this is a past tense because give becomes gave here and it's a past form of the verb. Okay. So, here will be my friends did not, because it's a past tense, give me gifts. Since we are using did, we are changing the gave to give. So, my friends, so the answer will be my friends did not give me gifts. Okay. Number 4, I love sweets. Very simple. I do not love sweets. Correct. Number 5. My best friend is upstairs. So this is a bit different. Do, does and did will not be used because is there. Yes, you are all are correct. Helping verb is there. So my best friend is not upstairs. Okay. So my best friend is upstairs. My best friend is not upstairs. Okay. Number 6. She baked a cake. So it will be she did not bake a cake. Baked is the past tense. So when you use in the sentence in the negative form or in the negative sentence, we will be using did. So she did. Since we are using did, baked will become bake. Okay. The past form will come into present form. So the answer will be she did not bake a cake. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 I did today with you all. Now 7, 8, 2 more are there, I guess. Yes, 9 and 10, 4 of these you will try it yourself and do in the book only. Okay, all these answers 1 to 6 you will do it in the book, and then 7, 8, 9, 10 you will try yourself and do it in the book. I will give you all the answers, but before that I want you all to try. Okay, so you all will try first, then I will give you the answers in the next video. Okay, thank you children and have a nice day.